Hi there and welcome to episode 13 of the Facilitator Tips video series. My name is Mark Collard. I work as an experiential trainer and an author, and today I want to share one of the most important learnings I had early on in my career, and that is let the group create its own energy. I'm sure, like you've gone to a lot of effort to create the most contagiously fun, engaging and appealing program, and yet a bit like how you can bring a horse to water but you can't make it drink it, sometimes the group just doesn't get it. And so in those early years, I went to a lot of effort of creating the energy and momentum for the group, artificially, hoping that would be enough to get them across the line. And I hit the wall so many times in those first 5 years. I would go to bed and be exhausted and not realize I'd even turned off the light before I had collapsed. And so that was telling me something, and I just needed to stop. And this was the next piece. I really got that I needed to give the group permission to create its own energy, and also allow myself permission to let that happen. Yes, I was a facilitator, but I wanted the group to be able to make their own decisions if I created the right environment. Of course, we all know that every group is different. But here's the key of why this is so important, is that I was disempowering the group. When I could give the group permission to be the cause of its own outcomes, the results I was achieving were far more powerful. And so it took about 5 years, but from that point on, I can see it, the change that was occurring in the transformation that was possible in the groups I was working with. So let the group create its own energy, and we all know every group is different. My last minute tip, relax. In the early years, if I had just understood that and could embrace it, I would have just perhaps gone in with a lot less stress and a lot less need to wanting to do this for my group. So relax, take a breath, and appreciate that they'll find their own way. And that's it. If you want to get more information, find some more links, go to Facilitator Tips /episode 13 at playmeo.com, and you'll be able to find all that information there. Please leave a comment, and if you happen to have found some value in this, share it with your colleagues and your friends as well. In the meantime, I look forward to seeing you at the next episode. Have fun. Bye-bye.